Solaia is the name of an iconic Super-Tuscan wine made by famous Tuscan producer Marchesi Antinori in the hilly landscapes of the Chianti Classico area, but Solaia is not a Chianti Classico, it is a Super-Tuscan wine made from Sangiovese, Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon. How do you go about pronouncing Solaia? Well, simply say Solaia, Solaia, Solaia. Do insist on the A here, Solaia. Solaia by Marchesi Antinori. I made a video talking more and making some research about what is Solaia. I will link to it right now. More details about where it comes from, the vineyard that produces it, the Tignanello estate by Marchesi Antinori. I will leave you to it and watch that video if you're interested to learn more about Solaia. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of Italian wine pronunciation and Italian wine knowledge. I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Bye bye, arrivederci, ciao ciao. Cheers, salute.